Hey class, so today we were doing the rocket launcher experiment and I did my experiment outside and I took a video of it. So I'm just going to show it to you and then I'm going to talk about that experiment. So let me just pull up the video here. It's 3 minutes and 22 seconds long. Oops, the sound isn't on. Starting again.
Hey class, so I'm doing something a little bit different today. I am doing my experiment outside, so when it comes to actually filming the video for class, I'm just going to hold up my phone and show this video to prove I did the experiment. So here's my rocket. The 3 pencils in my bottle is full of vinegar, and in my hand right here, I have my little baking soda launcher. So I just watched the video that was shown on how to do this experiment, and I'm hoping mine looks just as cool as this little dude's. So yeah, let's see what happens. I'm just going to set up our frame of reference here.
So I'm not tech savvy, which is why I'm showing it on my phone.
Outside, decently away from cars. I know that you can see cars, but Alright, so I'm going to go walk forward and I'm going to shove the little baking soda launcher into the water bottle, and I'm going to screw the lid on, shake it up, and then run away and see what happens. So I assume you can see me here. And I hope you can see this water bottle. But here we go.
So it's just bubbling. I know you can't see the bottle itself, but the bottle is just bubbling.
Doesn't appear to be doing anything. It's super pressurized, but
So it's just me checking out what was happening and screwed the lid, let out a bunch of gas, and
yeah, so my rocket launcher didn't work out too well. What happened was it bubbled inside the bottle, but the lid, the rocket, didn't actually shoot up. So saw in the experiment that this was one of the potential possibilities of it happening, and that's what happened to me.
so basically what was happening in the experiment, and it happened with me too, just not enough for the bottle to blow, the top to blow off the bottle and for it to shoot up, was that when I put the, not carbon dioxide, when I put the baking soda into the vinegar, it produces that gas carbon dioxide. And building up with enough pressure, the idea was that the cap would pop off and the bottle would go flying. The problem is that mine just didn't react quickly enough. It could have been that I had wrapped it too much in paper towel. It could have been a number of things. But I did the experiment and it did bubble inside the bottle. And so that was a really interesting experience. I did do this a couple years ago in a science class and it did work. So this does work. It's a really fun experiment. Sorry about the video being on my phone. I'm really not tech savvy, so I figured that would work out just to prove that I did it. But yeah, the baking soda reacts with the vinegar to create carbon dioxide, which builds up a pressure inside the bottle and is supposed to explode. All right, have a great day, guys.